Did you know a parrot once helped solve a murder case? Yeah, a parrot, a snitch with feathers. In 2015 in Michigan, a man named Martin Durham was tragically killed in his home. The only witness? His pet African gray parrot named Bud. After the crime, Bud kept repeating one thing over and over again. "Don't Fing, shoot!" Yes, the parrot cursed. Because of course it did. His ex-wife said Bud mimicked Martin's voice perfectly, even reenacted the entire argument they had before the shooting. This bird was basically doing true crime karaoke. Eventually, Martin's wife was charged and convicted. And Bud? He never shut up. People were like, "Who needs a Ring camera when your parrot's got court testimony?" This bird deserves a Netflix doc and a witness protection cage. So yeah, if you ever commit a crime near a parrot, just know Polly will talk.